As we jump to our next game, Knob Gobblers, Knob Gobblers. Today is Groundhog Day, and since Punxsutawney Phil saw his shadow, we're looking at 6 more weeks of winter. You live in LA, you don't give a shit about that. What is your problem? All right, comedians, we can only check in with this dirt beaver once a year, but I'm sure he has premonitions year round. So what are some other Phil's predictions? I'm gonna put 60 seconds on the clock and begin. Nick.
He said they're doing a Groundhog Day reboot with a female lead. Which I think actually could work out great. It's a great premise. And
great points. John.
Johnny Depp will have 6 more weeks of Mordecai.
Well, you're really after Johnny Depp on that one, Seth.
I predict that the February 2nd at midnight audience will be the greatest audience in the world.
How dare you? All right, I'm not made of wood. Points. Nick.
He's saying to his ass.
He's telling you that?
Yeah, that's what he's saying. He said, I'll predict that Nick will my ass.
Really? That'll never happen.
Oh, that was me.
Your ass. Please control your groundhogs. Please control your groundhogs. Please. Please control your groundhogs.
Naughty!
Yeah.
You're a naughty little guy.
Okay, well, you know, this is exactly why we'll never air before midnight. Because of Groundhog 69.
In my defense, my guy was jacking off in the corner.